Individual stocks could rule the roost, and I think maybe Samina will have a lot more luck in identifying movers, because I doubt that the large cap space will have too many movers that could move around. But yep, 14 seconds left. We probably have a start which is flattish, if you will, or maybe about marginally lower. I mean, point is 0.06% really. 14, 15 odd points on the Nifty. But the key is, what do individual stocks do? And does IT continue its upside? That's the key thing. Now, here's how the markets are doing at the start. Flat as flat can be. Bring up the mid caps and the small caps. Nifty Bank of 0.25% down. But bring up the mid cap and the small caps. 0.25% higher for the mid cap index. 0.25% for the small cap index. Let's get the heat map up on the screen and show you what's moving and what's not. No moves. That's the point. So Shriram Finance, Dr. Reddy's, ITC, Hindalco maybe a little bit, but almost even Stevens between the reds and the greens. What's losing out? HDFC Bank, the big boy in the red. TCS in the red. So that is another heavyweight. Tech Mahindra, Titan. That's the spate of names. But really, Samina, I'm going to hand it over to you, because on the large cap space, there's just absolutely no luck. Maybe just a bit more red now, but that could change.
Right. You're right. That's not looking too great. The breadth is weak, and I think that's a little bit of a concern. But listen, we don't need to be worried, because Friday was exactly this. The market started weak, but the second half of the trade changed it for the bulls on the street. A quick check on the WIX before I go into the broader market action. The Nifty 50 is trading flat as we see it, and the WIX has spiked this morning with a 4% up move. It was at a 2-month low as we closed our last week's trade. Broader market is doing slightly better than the benchmark. The Nifty 500 is trading positive. The mid and the small cap index also trading with positive gains. So pretty much opposite of what we saw in terms of Friday's trade. In terms of the winners on the Nifty 500, you've got HPL that wins on a big order win, 5.5% higher. RITES wins is up 3.5% again on an order win. You've got Jayaprakash Power Ventures as the court has stayed about a significant order there. So on back of which Jayaprakash Power Ventures sees a gain of 3% odd. KNR Construction is up 3.5%. Pull up Aurobindo, Biocon, RITES, AFCONs to the list to see what those stocks are getting up to. Biocon is trading higher. RITES is up 3.5%, like I said. AFCON's Infra is up 5%, a big order win coming in for them. Zinca posted earnings that disappointed the street. Let's see what that is getting up to. And Siegel lost an order. Zinca is down 3.5%, while Siegel, also on back of an order withdrawal, trades actually flat. So not too bad in early session. ACT is up 3.5%. TBO Tech continues to look good. Chalet Hotels is up 2.5%. They continue to sign orders with a number of partners. Finolex Cables, Real Estate, all looking in good stead this morning. On the sell side, you've got quite a list there too. Westlife is down 3%. Rainbow Children's Hospital is down 2%. Angel One is down 1.5%. PB Fintech, Honasa, Titan as some of the counters that are trading flat to slightly low. So it's not too bad a day, but it seems like the broader market is focusing on order wins, while the Nifty really trades flat, with most of your IT stocks seeing a little bit of profit taking, or at least consolidating after a good run that we saw last week. On the gaining side of the Nifty, Cipla is your big gainer, followed by Shriram Finance, but those gains are minuscule to say the least.